guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ashley. I go by Ginger or Gingy or whatever you want to call me. I know I'm blonde, but I am a natural redhead. Today's video is a hopefully quick video. I'm just doing my go-to like 10-minute makeup that I basically wear every day. Kind of like what I said. It's what I throw on for work most days, just because it's one, summer and it's hot, and two, I've gotten really lazy with my makeup. Still love it, just very lazy. But yeah, I talk a little bit. It's not so much a chatty get ready with me, just I talk a little bit about the products and some things, and these birds are driving me crazy. But yeah, if you guys are interested to see how this makeup look comes together, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. Alright, so like I said in the intro, this makeup is going to be just very quick-ish. I'm going to talk a little bit through it. I have basically my tray of everyday makeup, which if you can see is just, I pull it out from there. Kind of lazy when it comes to my makeup lately. Not that I've fallen out of love with makeup, I just haven't done a ton of makeup. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and let's get started. I'm going to start with my brows. Lately I've been using the Jason Woo brand from Target, and I went blonde, so obviously I'm using a taupe shade. So I am a brows first kind of person because I just like to have some shape to my face before I go in with anything else. And I just do a quick fill. Brows are obviously fixed. So I already have like moisturizer, skincare, blah 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 on my face, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. Sunscreen I've been using is the Prisma Protect from Dermalogica. I like it. It does the job. I'm going to start with just gonna jump into concealer. I am currently going through my concealers to try and use up one, so I am currently on the Cover FX Power Play, and I have the shade in Fair 1. If you can hear birds, I apologize. It's like a fall day today, which isn't bad, but we had bad storms. There was a tornado like just north of us, Naperville, so the Naperville area, so that was crazy. I slept through the entire thing. And I just go in with a sponge. This is an e.l.f. sponge, which is like my favorite all-time sponge, and I focus most of the product in the center of my face, and then I just blend it out. But yeah, I just pounce it out really quick. This is the makeup that I typically wear to work, just because it's really quick and simple. It's literally, I can do this in like 10 minutes. I haven't really worn foundation. I can't even remember the last time I wore foundation. Honestly, it was probably like February when I did like a makeup look. And I'm going on with powder. This is the Fenty powder. I got sick of the sifter, so I just took that off. And I'm not sure if I like this yet, but again, I am just trying to use up products. Next, I'm going in with highlight. This is the Colourpop Lite Stix and Starbright. I literally have that much left, so I'm just trying to use it up. It's not a terrible product by any means. I actually grown to really like it, but I just use it on my sponge and just tap it in. I do the highlight first, and then I go in with bronzer and blush, and then I will go back in with more highlighter. I still wear a mask when I go out. I'm fully vaccinated, but I'm not comfortable being maskless yet. I recently went back to Indiana to see my family for the first time in like 8 months, and it was, the difference between Indiana and Illinois is like crazy with how they handle things. For bronzer, I'll be using this Too Faced bronzer, Milk Chocolate Soleil. Obviously it's the old package because I am just trying my damnedest to finish this. I mean, look at how much is gone. And I have this gigantic Real Techniques brush that I found at TJ Maxx, so I just load that up, and I'm not very precise because, like I said, I wore a mask. So it makes no sense to like wear this, but like, I don't know. I like wearing makeup. This is like the main blush palette I've been using. So I either use this or the Clown blush palette from Likely Makeup. But I have absolutely been loving the Moon Prism with from Lunar Beauty. I picked that up and this is the inside. And I mainly mix these middle two shades. I will like mix the other ones, but like for some reason just the middle two, or just this is Stargaze down here. That is so great. So I mix Stargaze and Twilight. So. Speaking of Twilight, I saw that July 16th Netflix is having all 5 films on there, and I'm not like a Twilight stan, but like I will cringe watch those movies. It's been a while since I watched a movie. But now I have this Urban Decay diffusing blush brush, and I just stipple this blush on. Wow, you can tell it's been a while since I filmed, but I do that. I still do the nose. I really like the tip of the nose, and I'll bring it a little bit over my bridge. I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter and just add a little bit more, just because I feel like the powder kind of, not necessarily like gets rid of it, but like tones it down. And then something that I never liked, but now I'm like really into it, is faux freckles. So this is another product from Jason Wu. It's the Freckled Boy thing. I saw Butte Bean use it a lot, and I was like, okay. Struggled to find it at my Target, but I did, and I just do a couple fake freckles. I do have natural freckles. It's not as like crazy as some people's freckles, but I kind of like bringing them back when I cover them all up. So I like to do one side at a time and then pounce it out. It's very natural. I don't even know if it's going to pick up on camera. It's very noticeable in person. And obviously the longer you let it sit, the darker it's going to appear. But I found this is very natural. I also have the Colourpop one, which isn't bad. It's just I think mine's like drying out. But I usually will go in with this Jason Wu one, and then I might touch up with the Colourpop one. Kind of whatever's left over on my finger will go on my forehead. Okay, I'm going to go back in for a brow thing. This is the NYX brow tint pen. Wow. And it's in taupe or ash brown taupe. And I just do a couple flicks in the front and just further define my brows. I'm going to set my face with the Pretty Fresh from Colourpop. I am just trying to use up as many products as I can. And I'm going to curl my lashes. This is a Tweezerman lash curler. It's, as you can see, really tiny. I have really awkward lashes, so I find this is the easiest to get in because like my lashes at the end here, they bend down, and a full lash curler just does not work with my eyes. So I just do a quick curl. It's not my favorite thing to do, but I can tell a difference. I don't do any eyeshadow on the day-to-day as much as I used to. I'm trying to, like, I try to get back into it when I have more time. But when I work at like 8 in the morning, I really don't care. So this is the Kush mascara from Milk. I'm just gonna do a quick coat. That's pretty much it. Since I wear a mask all the time, I really don't bother with lip products. Just because I can, I'll throw on lip gloss. This is Enchantment from Lunar Beauty, but I don't think it's available anymore. I think it was part of the Halloween collection. This is the finished makeup look. Like I said, it takes me literally like 10 minutes to do this, and I've perfected it enough to where I can do this in semi-darkness, because sometimes I have to go to work when Jeff is still asleep. But yeah, that is the complete look. It's my go-to look for now. When I get when I get into makeup a little bit more, I will probably just, you know, put eyeshadow on every day, but this is just what I found is quick, easy. It's not too heavy on my skin, and since I'm wearing a mask, so I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to subscribe. I think you have to turn on notifications, ring a bell. It has clearly been a very long time since I have done this, and yeah. Wish me luck that I can continue with it. But yeah, thank you guys, especially those who have stuck around for me. I know it's been a while, it's been hard to for me to keep up, but hopefully moving forward it's a little bit better. But yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video, whenever that will be. Bye!